In this question, it is given that in a cross between a male and a female, both heterozygous for sickle cell anemia gene, what percentage of the progeny will be diseased? Now, in a cross between two individuals who are both heterozygous for sickle cell anemia gene, both will have the genotype HbA, HbS, and the progeny can inherit different combinations of alleles. And as we know, sickle cell anemia is caused by a recessive allele. That is, it is a autosomal recessive disorder. That means it requires two faulty genes to express the disease. So, from the Punnett square, the possible genotypes for the progeny are, now 25% would be normal, that is HbA, HbA, and 50% would be heterozygous, a carrier, but not diseased, and 25% who are homozygous recessive will express the disease. That is, they will suffer from sickle cell anemia. Hence, the correct answer is option D.